Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's lesson we are going to talk about two similar and sometimes very confusing English expressions, that is since and for. These two-time expressions are commonly confused in English, but after watching this video, you will have a good understanding of the difference and when to use these words. So let's get started. Let's start with since. Since show when a past action first started. We always need a starting point with since. So when you use since, you always need a specific time expression. Let's take a look at some example. I have been working since 8 o'clock this morning. In this sentence, the specific time expression comes after since, and it shows when this person started working. The next sentence is, she has been on diet since August. In this sentence, the specific time expression here is August, and it comes after since. It shows when she started dieting. Now I will talk about for. We use for to express a length of time in English. It's used to express duration or how long something has happened. Let's take a look at some example. The first sentence is, I have been working for 5 hours. In this case, we have a duration 5 hours, and it comes after for. The next sentence says, she has been on diet for 3 months. Again, we have been 3 months, we show the duration of time. How long she has been on diet. Again, notice it comes after the word for. Now, let's get a practice. In this conversation, there are two sentences. In one of the sentences, we should use since and other use for. Now, you should practice where use since and where use for.